Hello, everyone. Thank you for watching another episode at Investing with All I See is W. Today, I wanted to make this video to share with you my ideas on a Sunday, September 6, 2020, to provide you additional tickers on companies that can add significant value to your financial investments. So before I begin, I'd like to inform you that the information I'll be sharing with you should be used as guidance information only, and anytime when you make an investment decision, please do your own financial research. Let's get started. Ticker number one I wanted to share with you is company Capital One Financial Corporation by the ticker COF. Now, what's so unique about this company is that I love how this company operates, as well as how it delivers extraordinary quality in the service it provides to its customers. And this company has been around for many years now, and just looking at the 1 year trend chart, as you can see, prior to the pandemic, the share price was hovering at triple digits, $102, and right at the low peak it was hovering at $42. Can you imagine purchasing at that time? However, now at this price point, 73, I do foresee continuous growth with this company and possibly gaining back its share price from when it had hovered around $100. It can potentially get back up to its prior resistance value. And this company is great in that it will continue to run business and it won't go out of business. Let's look at the maximum here. Back in 1994, it was hovering at $5, and now it's back up to $73. So as you can see, this company is continuing to grow in the long term. And let's not ignore that it could potentially go up to the triple digits soon. I'm forecasting likely in 2021 we can see this company go back to its original share price value. Now, ticker number two I wanted to share with you is Southwest Airlines by the ticker LUV. Before the COVID-19 pandemic, the share price was close to $60. As you can see, it was hovering at $57.97 before the drop here. Right at the low peak, May 11th, it was hovering at $23. It's gone up to $39 now at the end of September 4th, 2020. But to me, that doesn't mean that it'll end here. I'm sure that now that the economy is slowly picking up, where people are beginning to get out of their homes, the fact that airlines are able to fly within the United States with practices in place, the share price will likely continue to go up to its prior resistance value of like high 50s. So let's not ignore Southwest Airlines, and we know that the balance sheet from a financial perspective, it takes on the least amount of risk compared to all other airlines. So I do foresee Southwest Airlines, as well as other airlines such as like American Airlines, possibly trending upward moving forward. Now, the next ticker I want to go to is a home building service similar to like Home Depot, but this is a competitor to Home Depot. This is Lowe's. Now, before the COVID-19 pandemic back in February, it was hovering at 125. The low point was at $66, and now it's gone up to about $156 at the end of September 4th. It has about more than 2,000 plant sites around the United States, and I do foresee it continue to grow and increase in its financial balance sheet. So Lowe's will continue to grow, and it is providing extraordinary quality in the service it provides, and to me it goes above and beyond what Home Depot can currently provide at this time. So that's why you see a lot more younger generation people going to Lowe's and shopping there, and that's why the share price has gone up so much, because during the COVID-19 pandemic there's been so much home projects going on, and I do foresee that the share price can likely go up, possibly up to 200 in share price by 2021. Now let's go over to next ticker here I wanted to share with you. This is an exercise service company, which is Planet Fitness by the ticker PLNT. Now, as you can see, we're looking at a 1 year trend chart, and before COVID-19 pandemic news began back in mid-February, the share price was hovering close to $90, hovering at $87.52. Right at the low point, it was like $33, and as you can see, it bounced back by one-fold now, with it having a share price of like $62. And to me, I feel like it can continue to go up because it's still gaining back what it had originally lost from its prior resistance of $87. And I do see that there will continue to be more, first-time gym users going to companies like Planet Fitness to start working out and building up their health, as there's health protocols now in place for the 6 feet social distancing as well as wearing masks. So let's not ignore Planet Fitness. I'm going to move on to the next ticker now. That is Under Armour by the ticker UA. Now, as you can see, we're looking at a 1-year trend chart here, and it was hovering at $18, and it's dropped down by 50% now. So if you're to park your money here and invest, you're buying Under Armour at a 50% discount with the hope of it going back up to its prior resistance value as the economy starts picking up. And let's look at the maximum trend chart. So about 4 years ago, the share price was hovering at $82. What if it goes back up 20% to that original share price? I feel like over time, this ticker can definitely go up above the single digit range. So to me, this seems to be a safe investment strategy with Under Armour. And as you know, NBA players like Stephen Curry has Under Armour basketball shoes. So one of the best basketball players is supporting a company like Under Armour through its sponsorships with Stephen Curry. So that's an amazing company to look out for. Now I'm going to go over to 3 biotech companies I wanted to share with you that can work in parallel with these companies I provided with you. Now I'm going to go ahead and jump over to the next ticker, and that is INO Pharmaceuticals by the ticker INO. So as you can see, back in June of 2020, the share price was hovering in the mid 30s, and now up through September, it's taken a tumble to now the single digit share price range. And this company is working on a potential COVID-19 DNA immunotherapy vaccine for the COVID-19 pandemic. And the company has launched the INO 4800 vaccine that is currently in preclinical trials, that's past preclinical trials, and now it's in phase 1 clinical 1 trials and likely to begin its phase 2 clinical trials this month in September. So it's exciting news because it likely has passed phase 1 with safety and efficacy. Now it's going to go on to phase 2 testing with hundreds of unhealthy patients to see whether it is safe and effective with the vaccine that they had designed. Now I'm excited to see the share price go up, possibly up to $30 by the end of this year, up through 2021. So let's not ignore INO Pharmaceuticals by the ticker INO. I feel like this company is a breakthrough company that's transforming healthcare potentially with its DNA immunotherapy vaccines. Now I'm going to go over to the next ticker here, and that is Sorrento Therapeutics by the ticker SRNE. So previously the share price was hovering at like close to $20, and with the stock share price manipulators brought the share price down to like $6.57. On Friday it even went down to like low $5 and it shot back up. Some day traders gained 20% from just day trading this ticker here, but to me I feel like through the end of Q4 this year, the share price can likely go up to its prior resistance of high $18. And the fact that this company is likely going to be launching a number of emergency use authorization product lines in the United States, as well as expanding market approval for use of its Covishield antiviral treatment in Brazil for hospitalized COVID-19 patients. I feel like this company will begin to commercialize products and start making money from the products they've designed and produced. And I know that they have hundreds of medical professionals and top PhDs working on cutting edge technology at the facility in San Diego. So let's not ignore this company that's working very hard and diligently for helping out humanity, as well as INO Pharmaceuticals. Now last ticker I wanted to go over is IBIO by the ticker IBIO. Now this company, the share price was hovering at $1.90. I feel like this company has so much potential where it can break the $5 range, potentially up through $30 by end of Q4 2020 going into 2021 potentially getting into the double-digit share price range. But this company is a plant-based biotechnology company where it also had just partnered up with Planet Biotechnology to continue building on the COVID-19 program. And to me, it's not about racing who gets first to the finish line, even though we know zero companies have started implementing production of the vaccine. But this company can scale up very fast. All it takes is just producing more plants and harvesting it and extracting it for the protein collagen to get it into the vaccine. But I feel like as soon as this company introduces its vaccine into phase 1 clinical trials with 2 potential vaccines in place, the IBIO 200 and the IBIO 201, I feel like that will be a milestone that will increase the share price possibly up to $3 to $5 and maybe more, perhaps possibly up to the prior resistance value of $7 and potentially up to the double digits share price based on its safety and efficacy data. So it's exciting to see plants being leveraged as medicine. Let's not ignore IBIO in terms of what it's doing and all of the philanthropy efforts that are coming out that's driven by the CEO Tom Isid from this company. And we know that this CEO has experience working at GE Healthcare as well as Becton Dickinson for many years. So I know that the fact that this company has a CEO who has experience working at large scale companies with economies of scale in place, and the fact that he is a true scientist in place, he understands what's the bottlenecks at the company, how to fix the bottlenecks, and how to continuously improve, how to find problems and improve how to fix bottlenecks. I feel like with this CEO, this company will continue to grow. So these are the 8 tickers I wanted to share with you on this Sunday, and I hope that you're able to absorb this guidance information and apply it to your investment approach. And I hope you found this video valuable, and if you haven't done so, please smash the like and hit the subscribe for more related content. Once again, thank you so much for watching another episode at Investing with All I See Is W, and let's win, everyone. Thank you.